Welcome to dotConnect for Salesforce, the fast, reliable ADO.NET provider that brings seamless Salesforce integration right into your .NET applications. Get started in two simple ways. Use the Windows installer for a complete setup that integrates with Visual Studio. Alternatively, choose the NuGet package for the fastest way to connect to Salesforce. Effortlessly connect to Salesforce using Server Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio. Add a connection, select the data provider, enter your Salesforce credentials, and connect. Browse tables, columns, and data, all within Visual Studio. Connect programmatically in any .NET projects or frameworks. Craft your connection string and initialize Salesforce connection. SOQL is Salesforce's query language, similar to SQL. With dotConnect for Salesforce, you can run SOQL queries right in your .NET apps using standard ADO.NET classes, fast, easy, and fully integrated. Our data provider powers your ORM workflows. Seamlessly integrate with Entity Framework Core, Dapper, and more across all versions. Pair it with Entity Developer for effortless model creation in any .NET application. Powered by a native ADO.NET architecture, the provider offers seamless access to Salesforce data, optimized for performance, with built-in support for metadata, bulk operations, and compliance with Salesforce's API and security standards. Elevate your .NET applications with our industry-proven, reliable connector. Download it for a free trial today, give it a go, and make the most out of its capabilities and performance in your projects.